Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? I think we were discussing about the IR spectroscopy. In IR spectroscopy, we have discussed how to calculate fundamental mode of vibration. Means one mark question would be appear in the exam, how we can calculate the fundamental mode of vibration by using, because fundamental mode of vibration depend upon the number of atom present in the molecule and the geometry of the molecule. These are the two essential requirement required for the calculation of the fundamental mode of vibration. So yesterday we have learned, as well as in addition to that we have learned Hooke's law. Hooke's law generally stated mathematically mu is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root of f upon c, where mu is the frequency of IR radiation or a frequency of that vibrational frequency we are calculating by using this formula. And if you substitute appropriate value, you will get the corresponding group frequency or vibrational frequency. Suppose as a carbon-carbon bond, single bonds are present, then it gives the absorption band at 1100 per centimeter. As the bond order goes on increasing, bond length goes on decreasing. If there is a carbon-carbon double bond, the frequency found to be 1115 per centimeter, and for a carbon-carbon triple bond, the IR stretching frequency found to be 2200 per centimeter. If you observe the trend of this frequency, it is go on increasing as the bond length goes on decreasing, as a bond order goes on increasing. So in addition to that, we also learned condition for absorption of IR region. As we know that even though a molecule can vibrate in a number of ways, each and every vibration does not absorb IR. The absorption of IR radiation takes place only if following two conditions are fulfilled. Number one, when the frequency of vibration of a bond and frequency of IR radiation used for excitation match perfectly, then only IR energy absorbed. It means that frequency of vibration of bond is equal to frequency of IR radiation. In second, only those vibrations which result in change in dipole moment of the molecule absorb IR radiation. Such vibrations are said to be IR active. symmetrical stretching of carbon-carbon triple bond in acetylene HC triple bond CH does not result in change in dipole moment and hence does not occur in IR region. Such vibration is said to be IR inactive. IR active and the IR inactive. Only remember, those vibrations are recorded in a IR spectrophotometer. Those covalent bond shows change in dipole moment. That vibrations are only get recorded and that type of the molecules are said to be IR active, and those molecules or those vibrations does not result in change in dipole moment. That molecules are said to be IR inactive. For example, suppose the molecule has linear geometry such as nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, acetylene. These are the molecule shows linear geometry. That type of the organic molecule are IR inactive in nature, and those molecules exist non-linear geometry such as water molecule, ammonia molecule, ethanol molecule, benzene molecule. These molecules shows non-linear geometry and therefore they are exhibit IR active in nature. So these are the essential and the necessary condition for IR active and IR inactive. That's it. Now next point, today what we are going to discuss, let's see here, interpretation of IR spectrum. Today we are going to discuss interpretation of IR spectrum. That is a point of discussion today. Interpretation of IR spectrum means how you can analyze the spectrum. Organic chemist only able to analyze the IR spectrum. Only trained person can interpret the IR spectrum, and therefore the heading is given here, the interpretation of IR spectrum. We have already seen that the IR region 2.5 to 15 micron, or in bracket we can write in terms of the frequency 4000 to 667 per centimeter is subdivided into 3 sub region. From the viewpoint of interpretation of IR spectrum, let's see. First one, this is a general spectrum, ordinary IR radiation, and which is subdivided into 3 sub region. of the viewpoint of interpretation of IR spectra, and those three sub regions are functional group region, second one fingerprint region, and third one would be aromatic region. These are the three regions. So let's see. First one is a functional group region. First one is a functional group region. Functional group region, and this the region between 2.5 to 11 micron, not 11 micron, I think 7.7 micron, 2.5 to 7.7 micron is, or in terms of the frequency, around 4000 to 1300 per centimeter is very useful for organic chemist. Remember, this is a functional group region, and as we know that IR spectroscopy, this IR spectroscopy is nothing but as a functional group. That's the simplest trick you should remember while discussing IR spectroscopy. IR spectroscopy provides us information regarding functional group. There are different functional groups present in the organic compound, and each and every functional group absorbs at absorption peak or absorption band or absorption signal is observed at particular vibration, particular stretching frequency. The appearance of absorption peak at particular vibrational frequency or the vibrational stretching frequency is corresponding to particular functional group, and the region between 2.5 to 7.7 micron, which is 4000 to 1300 per centimeter, is very useful for organic chemist. This part of IR spectrum contain absorption bands due to stretching vibration of functional group such as OH, NH, CH and SH in the range 2500 to 3700 per centimeter. The part of IR spectrum contain absorption bands due to stretching vibrations of functional groups such as OH, NH, CH and SH in the range 2500 to 3700 per centimeter. Figure 6.3 shows absorption of frequency at corresponding functional group at a particular region of the spectrum, which I am representing over here. Let's see this is one of the region, or you can see here is one table which I am randomly showing over here. Here another region, here another column I am making, here 1, 2 and another region. Now the region here 4000 to 625 per centimeter, which is known as wave number in, these are the wave number or the group frequency wave number, which is denoted mu bar in per centimeters. 4000 per centimeter, here you can write 2500 per centimeter, here 2000, here is I think here near about is a 1500 per centimeter, and here 1215 per centimeter. These are the wave number which is written at above. Then there will be the transmittance. This is a transmittance in percentage versus the wavelength. Here we can show here wavelength, which is denoted by lambda and in a micrometer, and generally starting from here 2.5, here I think 4, 5, then maybe as a 7, then here maybe as a 8, then 9, 10, 11 and 12, and here maybe as a 16, here maybe as a 13. These are the sum of the numbers. And now if you see here the stretching vibration frequency, the bonds between OH, then NH, then CH, these vibrations are due to functional group region. This is a functional group region, or which is known as stretching vibration, which is known as stretching vibration, and this region starting from this to up to this one, or up to I think this one. And now here is a bending aromatic, this one is aromatic region, which is generally occur bending vibration, due to bending vibrations, and this is generally from here to here. So this is a general one region here, carbon triple bond or carbon nitrogen triple bond, and here carbon oxygen double bond, carbon double bond or carbon nitrogen double bond. The region here may be as a carbon oxygen, carbon nitrogen, or here may be as a aromatic CH bending vibration, or some of the halides also present here, CX. So that mainly you focus here. There are the one table shown here. This table shows absorption of frequency and corresponding functional group at a particular region of the spectrum. So this is the spectrum. As an organic point of view, what is important? The important is a functional group region, and that functional group region is due to stretching vibrations. This is a stretching vibration, and the peak is appeared over here, or the appearance of the IR absorption peak or band or signal due to aromatic bending vibration. And as we know that these are the peak observed in this particular region. If you observe this table, this spectrum carefully, because we are discussing interpretation of the IR spectrum. Let's see, this is a general IR spectrum, and if you observe this region for 4000 to 2500 per centimeter, this region, what are the stretching vibration frequencies are observed due to here OH, NH, CH. These are the stretching vibration frequencies are observed in this particular region. And now if you observe another spectrum here carefully, what do you observe here? The region from 2500 to 200 per centimeter, it is a very useful region which is known as triple bond region. Let us see here, carbon carbon triple bond, carbon nitrogen triple bond. This is a very specific region which is known as a triple bond region. The band is appear or signal is appear around 2500 to 200 per centimeter, that clearly indicate that the unknown compound must contain either carbon carbon triple bond or the carbon nitrogen triple bond, and that's why this region is known as a triple bond region. It is a very recognizable peak observed in the IR spectrum. The organic chemist easily recognize this bond by looking its shape and the size. It has very definite size and the shape of that particular peak, and from that the organic chemist can say there is a carbon carbon triple bond is there. If you observe this another region, third region here, the appearance of absorption band around or between 200 to 1500 per centimeter, this band is generally appear due to the presence of carbon oxygen double bond or carbon carbon double bond or carbon nitrogen double bond, and this region is generally termed as double bond region, where this kind of the region or this type of the appearance of peak around 2000 to 1500 per centimeter clearly indicate that there is a presence of that carbon oxygen double bond or carbon carbon double bond or carbon nitrogen double bond. And the very rare peak 1500 to 1215 per centimeter, the absorption peak or the band around this clearly indicate that the presence of carbon oxygen or carbon nitrogen heterocyclic bond present in this particular region. And if you see here, the region between 1215 to 625 per centimeter, which is known as aromatic region, and these aromatic peaks are observed due to the bending vibration, and that if such kind of the vibrations are present over there, it clearly indicates that there is a aromatic compound is present. In addition to this, it also provides us the information about by observing its shape and size, the organic chemist can predict, can identify the aromatic substitution pattern such as ortho, meta and para substitution pattern. So that type of the pattern they can understood by observing this, and this is a aromatic region. So this is a general statement we can made by looking this region. The appearance of absorption peak at the appearance of absorption peak at 2100 to 2500 per centimeter shows the presence of carbon-carbon triple bond or carbon-nitrogen triple bond and is known as triple bond region. Remember, this is a very useful region. By observing this peak, the chemist easily understood what type of the bonds are present in the organic compound. So this region is known as a triple bond region. The IR absorption peak at 1500 to 1600 per centimeter region indicate the presence of aromatic carbon-carbon stretching frequency, while at, remember here, this is another one, 1500 to 1600 per centimeter, as well as the appearance of absorption peak around 1620 to 1680 per centimeter. See, these focus on these three bands. These bands are very, very important as far as organic point of view is concerned. And just now we have seen the appearance of absorption peak around 2100 to 2500 per centimeter clearly indicate that carbon-carbon triple bond or carbon-nitrogen triple bond, and therefore it is known as triple bond region. Similarly, the appearance of absorption peak at 1500 to 1600 per centimeter indicate presence of aromatic carbon-carbon stretching frequency of the organic compound. This is another prominent peak observed in the organic compound. The chemist easily identify this peak by observing the spectrum carefully. The lack of absorption peak in this region clearly indicate that the compound is non-aromatic in nature. So this kind of the prediction they can made just by observing the IR spectrum carefully. The important IR absorption band at 1700 per, let me again, the appearance of absorption peak at 1620 to 1680 per centimeter clearly indicate that the presence of carbon-carbon double bond stretching frequency for alkene. Remember, this is for carbon-carbon double bond. This is also for carbon-carbon double bond. Both are the stretching frequency, but here the slight difference is 1600 to 1500 to 1600 per centimeter. This is the frequency IR absorption peak due to aromatic carbon-carbon double bond, whereas the absorption peak around 1620 to 1680 per centimeter. This is due to carbon-carbon double bond of alkene stretching frequency. Remember this slight difference. And another one, most prominent peak which is observed around 1700 per centimeter is clearly indicate that the presence of carbonyl group of aldehyde or ketone. So ketone, and thus functional group in the molecule can be identified from absorption band in IR. So remember, the functional group in the molecule can be identified from absorption band in IR. So this is a first point you should remember while discussing this functional group region, which is around this one 2.5 to 7.5. Now the second one, B. The B is called as a fingerprint region. B is known as a fingerprint region. B is known as a fingerprint region, and this region is around, the fingerprint region is around 7.7 to 11 micron, which is 1300 to 909 per centimeter, is known as fingerprint region. The region between 7.7 to 11 micron, 1300 to 909 per centimeter, is known as fingerprint region, and this is the most complex part of the IR spectrum and contain number of absorption bands, and these absorption bands appear due to skeletal stretching and bending. Absorption bands, bending vibration, and this region is not up much useful for interpretation but is helpful for sample comparison. And if the fingerprint region of two samples are identical, then these samples are also identical. This is just like the fingerprint region, and examples are very simple. If the two samples has their identical region, then two sample must be identical to each other. So in this way, for the comparison of the sample, we can use this type of the fingerprint region. And the last one, third one, is called as a aromatic region. Let us see here. Third one is a aromatic region. Aromatic region, and this aromatic region generally starting from, let me write here. So here I am going to show aromatic region, which is found to be here 11 micron, 11 to 15 micron, and starting from 909 to 667 per centimeter is known as aromatic region. And the bands that occur in this region are due to bending vibrations of CH bonds in the molecule. The lack of absorption in this region shows presence of non-aromatic compounds, and this region also helps in in determining aromatic substitution pattern such as ortho, meta and para substitution. And though most of the covalent bonds have characteristic and invariable wavelength of absorption, sometimes the bands in IR spectra are slightly shifted due to conjugation, hydrogen bonding, electron donating group or withdrawing groups present in the molecule, and thus the exact position of absorption bands depends on force constant, masses of the atoms and environment of the bond, and the sum of the characteristic of that is shown in the table. I think with this generally we have seen here the general interpretation of IR spectrum in this lecture. I think with this let us stop today here, remaining the how that particular bond stretching frequency occur at what actual frequency, that we will see tomorrow's lecture. Let us stop today here. Thank you. Have a nice day.